Hey guys, how are you doing? How's your day going? And just starting out your night. Hope you are happy or hope having an amazing and beautiful day today is day two of our PuzzleSprint stuff, and I was about to go and post it when I realized that the video file was corrupted. So I just came to explain the code. So for those of you who don't know what this is, we get a question. I post a question early in the morning each day, 8 a.m. West African time and 4 p.m. West African time. I post the solution. I'm a Python developer, so I always solve my problems in Python. But if you go over to my GitHub, you'll see the solution in C++, in C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Python, and Ruby. I'm hoping to work with more people who can provide for any other languages that aren't here. I wanted to do C. Do people still use C? I learned coding in C and C++, the first languages I say with, and also Basic. So if you want that, you can let me know. But yeah, I'm not doing any tutorial on all those other ones though. But if you want a tutorial on, I think probably C++. I'm not really that fluent in JavaScript, but I mean most of the questions are basic. So maybe if you want me to do a video on some of them, I can. But yeah, let's just jump on. I said which day? Day two. Where's Python? Okay. So the question was, given a string, determine if it's a palindrome or not. A palindrome is a word, phrase, number, or other sequences of characters that reads the same forward and backward, ignoring spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. Example, input this I'm going to check. So I'm just basically checking, like, once you remove the capitalization, remove this punctuation, that you can read the words from forward and backward. So if that is true, should print out true. So it's very basic. So I'll just run through the code. Like I was saying in the earlier video I did, there are multiple ways you can go about this. You can try to filter it individually. Maybe you can say, okay, for I in S, where S is the list that is provided, print out the inverse of the list, or maybe create new list. A new list would be where you take the individual elements and put in this, and they are basically same. But what I did to kind of like make it more compact, I'm using regular expression, which I think I have a video on regular expression, so I would link that in this video. But yeah, basically regular expression is kind of like, if you like, okay, if you come on this browser here, I think I've got it out today. So when you go do Control F, okay, so you're seeing this stuff here, this asterisk here with the box. You can use it to search for regular expression. So instead of just using normal text, is it more is it advanced? Is it harder way of searching for things? So what is this one? Interesting. So you can just make use of elements. So let's say like this string I use now. So this up here saying if it's not. So I saying if it's not a lowercase alphabet, an uppercase alphabet, or a numeric value. So I'm basically saying if it's not alphanumeric, then just put it here and search for it. So but yeah, so we're saying sub, which means we want to substitute, kind of like changing the value of, want to replace any non-alphanumeric value with. Now this is not a white space because we also want to replace white spaces. So we just want to replace it with a vacant box. Like it should just, it's kind of like saying delete it. Then this is my first time actually trying this, but it actually did work. So I'm collecting the input. So after the first you're going to put is your expression. You always put the arrow first. Then so this is our expression, the expression we want to search for, then what we want to replace it with here, then the string or the variable we are working with to replace it. So I'm receiving an input from user and I'm turning to lowercase. Next thing, I'm now using slicing. So slicing is kind of like a way of reading this. I never really knew how to do it. But what I'm saying is that for this S that we just collected, read from the very first value. That is this first what do they call this stuff? Column. Read from the very first value to the very last value. But instead of just reading it straight, reverse the list. That is this negative. As if it was just one, we're just saying skipping one bit, but we're saying negative one, start from the back, skipping one bit. And if they are equal, print true, else print false. So let's just use this stuff that they gave us. And I have not run the code. Let's just go bring it like that. Enter your word here. Perfect. So yeah, Sorry that I was not quitting it again. I had already finished recording it and I'm currently like editing. I'm supposed to be going posting this thing soon, so I'm coming in a hurry. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and tune in tomorrow for the tree. Have a nice rest of the day. Bye guys.